Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show relation between a noun or pronoun and some other word or element in the rest of the sentence. Prepositions are normally found positioned in the latter part of the sentence. They typically come before another word, usually a noun phrase. Sometimes prepositions indicate where someone or something is. They are known as preposition of place. Sometimes they indicate when an event happens or happened. They are known as preposition of time. Sometimes they indicate direction in which someone or something comes or goes. They are known as preposition of direction. Example of preposition of place. Nikki is standing against a wall. Here, against is an example of preposition of place. Example of preposition of time. Ricky swims on Sundays. Here, on is an example of preposition of time. Example of preposition of direction. Nikki is throwing a ball at them. Here, at is an example of preposition of direction. 6 rules for prepositions are: Rule 1. Prepositions must have an object. Rule 2. Must be placed before. Rule 3. The pronoun following the preposition should be an object form. Rule 4. Prepositions form. Rule 5. Do not confuse preposition. 2. With infinitive to. Rule 6. A verb cannot be an object of a preposition. List of some prepositions are: is, on, under, inside, despite, at, until, against, via, beyond, down, from, into, despite, by, sunder, toward, since, below, beside, beyond, versus, plus, save, following, for, per, as, minus, less, bar, beneath, including, opposite, out of, character. Examples of sentences containing prepositions. The cat is sitting on the chair. Here, on is an example of preposition. The cat is hiding under the table. Under is an example of preposition. The cat is playing outside. Outside is a preposition. Lionel Messi versus